Morning dear students. So now today we complete our exercise 9.1. Only first 1 to 6 questions we done in our previous video, and now we will start next one, word problems. Is it okay? These are very easy, so cooperate me. Is it okay? So now let's see. First one is, in a class number of boys are 1168 and number of girls are 1095. Is it okay? And ratio of number of girls to boys. Firstly see here. Ratio girls to boys. It means firstly write girls, after that write boys. Okay. So your answer is girls 1095 and boys 1060. This is your answer. Is it okay? Clear to you? So this is a ratio of girls to boys. But if the question is boys to girl, the ratio of number of boys to girls, then above numerator you have to write boys and in denominator you should write girls. Is it okay? Next question is, students, Avinash earns, okay, Avinash is any name, person name. Avinash earns 12,000 rupees per month. This is his income. Is it okay? Next one is, his wife income is 15,000 rupees per month. Okay? And find ratio Avinash income to his wife income. Avinash's income to his wife's income. Avinash income is 12,000. Firstly Avinash income, that is 12,000, by wife's income 15,000. Okay, so cut this zeros. 12 by 15, 4 3s are 4 5s are. 3 by 5 is your answer, or you have to write in ratio. It means this is 3:5. Clear to you? So these are the word problems that relates to your chapter ratio. Clear? So next, second part is, yes, first part is Avinash income to his wife income, and second is Avinash income to total income. So firstly we will find total income. Total income is 12,000 plus 15,000. So that is 12,000, 15,000. This is 000 to 27,000. This is a total income. And ratio is Avinash income to total income. It means first we write in Avinash income. Avinash income is 12,000 and total income is 27,000. So cut here firstly zeros. 12 and 27, which the table comes both? Yes, 3 4s are, 3 9s are. So your ratio is 4:9 is your required answer. Is it okay? 4:9 is your answer. Next one is Margaret. This is any lady's name. Margaret earns 955 rupees. Okay? And save how much? 185 rupees. So firstly I calculate expenditure. Expenditure is 0, 15 minus 8, 7, 8 minus 1, 7. So this is his expenditure. First part is find ratio yes, find ratio earning to saving. Earning to saving. Earning to saving means, students, earning means 955 rupees and saving means 185 rupees. So if you have to write in ratio, this is your required answer. Okay, I think it's clear to you. Next one is find ratio. Find ratio aids to saving to expenditure. Saving to expenditure. Saving to expenditure means, firstly you people write saving. Saving is 185. Okay, and expenditure is 7. Okay, so this is in a fraction, but we people write in ratio because find ratio. Okay, so ratio is always in right here. 185 ratio 7. Is it okay? Clear to you? And the next part is, if we want to calculate, yes, earning to saving, saving to expenditure, next saving to earning. Next ratio, saving to earning. Okay, so in saving 185 rupees, earning 955. So this is 9. This is the ratio. Is it okay? Clear to you? Thank you.